I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know that the Erin Condren Friends and Family Sale is live. Now, if you have not been around Erin Condren a while, or maybe you just kind of forgot what this is, it is 25% off the entire website, which is an awesome deal. The only other sale that may be bigger than this one is maybe their Black Friday, but even that is not going to be much bigger than this. So if you are looking to buy a planner, maybe the price has kind of put you off for a while, or maybe you want some accessories, some planner accessories, desk accessories, things like that, then this might be a good time for you to pick some things up. Now, to be able to shop today, you do have to be an EC or an Erin Condren Insider. What that is pretty much just their program for like rewards and like their club type thing. It does not cost anything for you to join the program. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to sign up. It is free of charge, and it's pretty much just a way for you to be updated on all the comings and goings of the Erin Condren products. If you don't want to join the Insider program, or you just don't really feel like doing it right now, you can't shop today unfortunately, but you can shop tomorrow, and the sale does go through September 22nd. So you have quite a lot of time to shop. You have like, I don't know, 7-8 days, something like that. So it's really not a huge deal if you can't shop today, but if you want to and you kind of want to get your things quicker, get in the line first to get your products first, then maybe think about joining the Insider program so you can do your shopping today. Now, if you're not familiar with the Erin Condren planner, or you've never really heard of it, you just don't know a lot about it, I'm going to show you a few of my favorite products from them, including their like signature planner. Alright, so Erin Condren is known for their life planner. Now, this is a 7x9 size. Here's my hand right here, so it's not super big, but here's kind of a comparison. So these normally retail for $59. You can get this in an hourly format, which is what I prefer, where you get your hours kind of sectioned out for you right here. You can also get it in a vertical format where you get 3 boxes, maybe if you want to segment your day, or there's a horizontal that go across like this. These are going to be on sale during the sale, so instead of $59, you'll be able to get these for $44.25. So instead of a $60 planner, you're getting a $45 planner, which may be a little bit easier to swallow for spending so much money on a planner. They are awesome quality. You can change out the covers, buy extra covers to be able to change out with the season if you want. I need to change mine to a fall cover because I think I'm over summer now. But this is kind of their signature planner that they have had for, I don't know, 8-9 years. This has been with them the entire time, and this is kind of their tried and true planner. Now, if you want something a little bit smaller, you could go with the A5. So the A5 is new this year. This is a smaller planner. Here is the size comparison between the two. It is a little bit shorter at the top. It is also not as wide here, so you'll be able to get just a little bit smaller. It's a little bit more portable. That can maybe fit in your purse if you carry a bigger purse. This is the A5 size, and this is their daily planner. They call it a daily duo. So you get a full spread here per day. You get your date at the top, you get an hourly portion here, a checklist, and this box area, but you get a full page for each day. So if you need a lot of space to write to-do lists or a lot of things going on, this might be kind of the way that you want to go. This does come in this A5 size. It also comes in the bigger size, the 7x9. There is a price difference. This A5 right here is $68 normally. You do get 2 planners. So this planner right here is actually only 6 months. You get another planner with the other 6 months. So because you get the 2 planners, the price jumps up a little bit. So this right here is $68. During the sale, you'll be able to get this for $51, which is like $17 off, which is pretty good. You can get this, the daily planner, in the bigger size here too. This one is a little bit more expensive because it's bigger. It is $76, but you also get the 2 planners with 6 months in each planner. If you were to get this daily planner in the bigger size, you would be able to get it for $57 during the sale, which is also a pretty good price. Now, if you get the planner, you get to accessorize the planner. So you get to change out and change your covers. So the covers are also included in the sale. I have a couple Star Wars covers here I'm going to show you. This one right here is their normal cover. It is $8. There's no foiling on it, just a normal cover that you can pop in. You get a front cover and you get a back cover right here. So these are $8 normally. You would be able to get these for $6 during the sale, which is awesome. And then they also have covers that have foil on them. This one right here is another Star Wars cover. This one has like rose gold foil on it, and this one is normally $13. During the sale, you'd be able to get the foil covers for $9.75. So this is kind of an accessory, another way that you can kind of change your planner up if you get bored with it or you just kind of want to change it with the season. Now, if you're not into planners and you already have a planner and you don't really need a new one, another thing that you could grab during the sale is some accessories. Not necessarily planner accessories, maybe some office accessories or writing utensils. These right here are some of my favorites. I love markers, pens, anything to kind of write with, spice it up, make it look pretty. So this is their 24 pack of fine tip markers. You get a variety of colors. They're gorgeous. I love having the case that you can just like pop all of them in and bring them with you. This is normally $29.50, but during the sale you'll be able to get this for $22.13. So it's less than $1 a marker, and I just love the variety. If I am in a black mood, I can grab a black, but if I want to maybe bring in some fall colors, I can pull in the orange and the yellow and maybe this brown right here. This is an awesome deal, and the carrying case honestly is worth it to me just because I hate throwing markers like in a bag and just like losing them in the bottom. So this might be something you're interested in. And then if you have a planner and you would like to accessorize it a little bit but you don't want to go too over the top, maybe the sticker books are for you. So they have lots of different sticker books. These are $15.50 normally. During the sale they will be $11.63. So almost $12 for a sticker book, but you get quite a few pages, lots of variety. This one is a floral one, and it has just a variety of stickers. You have some foil in it, you have some boxes, so you have a floral one. Another one I really like is the layers. This one has all different types of like, almost like earth layers, things like that, but you get functional stickers just to be able to add a little bit of pizzazz to your planner. One of my favorite ones is this one. It's the monthly sticker book. So this one, you get a sheet of stickers for each month. So this is April, and you have a purple theme. You get some deco, you get the word April at the top, and then some boxes and washi to go with it. And you get a page for every day of the year. I use my July one a ton in this. Same with my August. And then another favorite is the mid-century circle. This one is just a good variety of colors, patterns. You get some washi strips. You get some boxes, which I've used quite a few of. So the sticker books might be a good way to go. A little under $12 for a sticker book, and honestly you can probably get 4 for the price of 3 pretty easily during this sale, and it's just a fun way to be able to add a little bit of decoration to your planner but maybe not go too over the top. Alright, last but not least is this guy right here. So this is one of Erin Condren's Softbound journal notebooks. So this one is a Star Wars theme. I have been on the Star Wars kick lately, so bear with me with all the Star Wars accessories. These do come in patterns other than Star Wars. They have some blank ones, some ones with other patterns, but if you open it up, it literally is just lined papers. It's softbound, so it kind of bends with you. It's smaller in comparison to my hand. It's just a little bit bigger than my hand, so it is something great that you can just maybe put on your nightstand to journal, maybe throw in your purse for like to-do lists or just to have around the house. These are $16, and so during the sale they'd be only $12. So this is one of the ones I have. This is another one. This has some foiling on it. This is another Star Wars one. So but there's other patterns too, so these are maybe something great just to kind of have around the house. Alright, so the sale does start today for people that are Erin Condren insiders. Again, I will leave a link in the description if you would like to join the insider program and be able to shop today. Otherwise, the sale starts tomorrow for everybody else. The sale does go through September 22nd, so you have quite a bit of time to shop if you want to just put some things in your cart and maybe think about it for a while, or maybe you have a budget that you want to spend but you're not quite sure what you actually need and want versus maybe you kind of sort of want, so maybe you want to wait a while. You do have some time to kind of pick and choose what you want. There are some products that may sell out. I don't know for sure, but there are some things sold out on the website currently, so it's kind of up in the air. If you wait, maybe you'll be out of stock, but the planners definitely won't go out of stock. I will leave links to everything that I mentioned and the website in general in the description below. I am an Erin Condren affiliate. If you do end up shopping and you watch this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you actually clicked on the links below and did your shopping through those links. I do get a small commission. Anything that I earn goes straight back into the channel to make better quality videos, have more product to show you guys, do more plan with me's, just kind of give you guys a better experience here on YouTube. So I would greatly appreciate it if you just clicked on the link, did your shopping through that link. It doesn't cost you anything to do. It's just another way to get to the Erin Condren website and let them know that I sent you that way. If you end up shopping, definitely drop in the comments below what you purchased or what you plan on purchasing. I am a nosy person. I just like knowing. I'm just kidding, but really, drop it in the comments below. I am going to probably not be getting any planners. I'm pretty set for my planners for the year for the next, I don't know, 10-12 months. But I will probably be doing some purchasing of maybe some writing utensils, maybe some journals, definitely some desk accessories, because my desk is not messy, but it's not as organized as I would like it. So that's probably what I'll be shopping for. And then I'll show you guys what I end up getting probably here on the channel. I'll probably make a video of it. If you guys like seeing videos like this where I kind of give you information on the sales coming up, definitely let me know, because I like making them. Not everybody is subscribed to the email list or is on social media, and maybe this is their only avenue that they learn about sales. So I like making them for people here on YouTube to be able to know about things that are coming up as well. I will definitely be doing a video for the Black Friday sale that will be coming up in a couple months, but if you would like to see it for some of the smaller releases, then let me know and I can do that as well. It's just a quick video to kind of show you guys maybe what's available or maybe about the sale or things like that. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have fun shopping, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!